SLS, or selective laser sintering, is a 3D printing process where nylon powder is melted. It's accurate, and parts benefit from high strength and stiffness. However, SLS parts can warp. Let's take a look at why and how to minimize warping. Due to the process of using heat to melt each layer of powder together, the heat up and cool down can stress the material, causing it to warp. We minimize this by using a cool down period equal to build time. This allows the core temperature to gradually cool, minimizing warping. To avoid or reduce the risk of warping, you can add ribs and general strengthening features to your design of large flat areas. This will most likely prove useful if you'll move to injection molding in your design cycle, as injection molding can suffer from the same warping problems. While it's not possible to completely avoid warping in SLS parts, SLA is a good alternative for parts that don't need to be so robust. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact us.